So I picked these tables for the trash. I was trying to sell them. No one wants them. I got an outdoor diner. That's how you make toast. Take the wire. Take the wire. I'm running out of fuel. I can't even run this shit to cool down the house. We had it running yesterday. AC. It was nice. I'm not gonna be able to do it. Either have a fridge and fans and like an internet working, a computer, or you know, or nothing. For now. Someone will come when I have this and it'll make the dog bark. I want it to get the cool, eerie look. I need my other headlamp that's wide beam. I'm trying to go find it. I moved too much shit. No one does anything related to it. It's real lazy bullshit. Well, it's crazy Dad does sometimes when it feels like it, but the other one, no. A waste of life. Anyway, well, looks like some people got some shit on over here. Interesting. I'm gonna wait till one of these places burn when people use candles or something. Don't use candles. Candles bad. You didn't even hear my unit from here. You don't hear my condo land power grid I created. You don't hear it right from through here. I think I'm the quietest person in this place. I love that sound. I was very happy when I was able to join that crew in 2017. More cars coming. These people just drive around all day. Wonder why there's gas lines everywhere. Yeah, Costco sucks. You have a gas Nazi at Costco apparently. I didn't get to go there because the line was to the roof. What the fuck is that? What? There's a Costco gas Nazi. Only allows you 2 cans. What is that? A work truck? What the fuck is that sketchball's truck? They don't freaking live here. Making U-turns and shit. It's not someone who lives in here. Those are random people who are looking to go steal your catalytic converter at night. Let's go back here. It's very dark back here. Fuck. That's the bad part. You gotta load your floor sweeper, like your shotgun, and keep it up. I'm more secure than most of these people in my system. I know exactly what's going on. Yeah, my hour meter was rubbing on the freaking the thing. God damn it. The hour meter was rubbing on the thing. Made marks. Is that another helicopter over there? No, I like it when it's dark. You gotta save your batteries on these freaking lights and be stealth. Come on, stop lagging. Go on ahead. I don't want to see you eating pine needles. You want light again? Well, some people got it hooked up to their panel. 1, 2. And they put a switch on it. Shouldn't have came this way. There's all fucking bugs and shit. That same unit I have looks like an orange. Come on, stop lagging. You don't like going over here, too much noise makers? And the sidewalk's all fucked up. Alright, we ain't gonna walk this way because you don't like it. You know what? Fuck it, we ain't going this way. Come on, back the other way. You don't like this way. I don't like it either. It's too dark. Yeah, they hope this place is going to be under 4 feet of water. That's awesome. I was going to look at the tree that fell, but it's too late now. See, I got to do too much shit, man. By the time that I wake up at 5, it's like 7 now, and you're still doing shit. No one else does anything. They made a whole fucking power grid, and it's still not correct, and needs improvement. It's getting better by the day. What the fuck are you doing? It's like fall time. All this garbage in the ground. There's 30 Chinooks and I think they ended their reconnaissance at the end that evening. So the last one, I have my bag, but I didn't go with bags. I'll throw out of my pocket. I don't know. It's so fucking hard to see. I need my spotlight. This one's not wide enough. Come on, go. It's like fall time in Northeast. You don't like this shit? I walked on freaking streets like this for years and years. Pine needles all over the goddamn place. It wasn't fun. And then you get allergies. I think you're getting allergies from this shit. Getting like a sore throat. Come on, fucking walk, Lulu. What's your problem? I'm just going back then. You want to go lag? We're going back. I have all the bandwidth. My internet download speed is like 980 and up is like 700 megabit, the megabyte, whatever the hell it is. It's super fast because no one's on FPL, which powers condo land. You see the numbers are dropping. The numbers are dropping, the out numbers. It's a good sign. They say by the 8th. So use your internet for stuff like this. Not for useless bullshit. And I'll get into this more than a minute. The more useless bullshit you do as a person, you're just a gossiping piece of crap. And so many people are just that. They just want to gossip. F them. I am not one of those people. I want to fix my damn truck, but it is hot out today. I get going. It's only 1 o'clock, so I could get going on it. I gotta move some stuff. We got enough fuel now. 82. A little cooler out. No rain. I don't think. All gone. All gone. All gone. All gone. I like the power map FPL. They don't even show any of this. They don't even show any of this. They don't show any of this because it's all gone. None of this. All gone. Like this shit. All gone. It's funny. Like they're not even fucking with it. Like it's gone. Our wires are still okay. Airport's nearby. We're over here somewhere. We good. So well, you got the 10-day. If you're on generator power, remember to shut down everything when you're not using it. Don't be abusive. I could be sitting on my ass right now, like Bitcoin mining or something. I don't Bitcoin mine or something like that. Okay, someday possibly storms. But we're looking pretty clear. Alright. The heat's gonna come back. See, it's cooler then, it's getting warmer then. Yeah, whatever, all this shit. So much stuff's probably destroyed. There'll be a lot of parts for picking soon. So maybe that's a good sign. Gonna have a lot of rust-free metal. But they're gonna have so much of it, it's gonna junk. Another branch. I didn't even hear my operation. Which one did I cut? Oh, I cut the little baby one. And then that one I cut too. I was bored. The drain's clogged in case it rains. The drains are good enough. I was worried about that. Did I show that? I think I showed that. Oh, I gotta make this video because my computer works. The problem is it's selfish. Selfish. Oh, this thing's down over here too, that scary old one? Wow. We just got a fall in the street. That looked worse than it did a couple days ago. See, like so many people walk past this place, you think they'll just drag that out of the way. Nope, I ain't doing it either. Fuck them. I think they would take that branches out of the road and just drag them out of the way. Nope, they won't do it. Look at the green pool. It just makes it green overnight. They're selfish shit. Oh, another one of those trees snapped? Well, one snapped last time too. Where's that water coming from? Oh, it's just moving. See, they thought we were going to be flooded. And that's what we have these marked sticks for. They thought we were going to be this much underwater up to your waist. I didn't even know why they put those there. No, I was not told. Nothing. But that makes you think that I could be standing right here in water, and some people are. Like up to this bush in water, and all my shit can be fucked up. So, it's time to move. 600 feet above sea level. I do not hear my generator from here, and that thing is loud. Got like almost 30 hours on a Generac, and I think we're pushing 80 on the Honda. The Honda needs its third oil change. Changing it early. I'm using Shell. What, I got like a mower over there. No, they got a generator that's not running well. Some of these generators too, they must have rusty gas tanks, and they're using bad fuel. The carburetor's plugged on them, and they just keep on running them. They're surging and shit. Like my Generac runs so much better. I changed out the OEM Chinese torch spark plug, and I put an NGK. It starts so much better. It runs so much smoother, just with that modification. NGK is the shit. Torch and cheap stuff. What else? Yeah, bitch. I can write a book on who I'm related to and the bitching that happens. I took this off one time, don't tell anyone. Last time. So you can get in there and use the barbecue. What kind of helicopter we got? No Black Hawk shit. No Black Hawks. Yeah, they keep on airlifting people. They say some are dead, some are alive by the shore over there. They're blaming Ron DeSantis, but it's like, you wanted to stay. It's like, I could have left too. I could be in freaking, I don't know, Tennessee or something. Or Detroit, Michigan. It's 600 feet above sea level in Detroit and like Tennessee. But yeah, maybe one day. It looks like fall here though. It's kind of cool. It's like, I'm used to this shit. I used to have this up north. And this is just all the garbage that they blew into the woods over the period of years. It just comes right out again. And now it's going to blow it all back into the woods when they should have they actually should have run a mower with a catcher on it. And they'll be emptying it a lot, but it will clean up all this shit. It'll just suck it right up. Maybe that would be too much though. I used to try to run it over and bog the motor down. But that's the deal. Yeah, that's the deal. We finally got fuel. I need a couple more cans in my hoard. Something is not running right over there. Sounds like it's locking up. I don't want as generator as that, but they're going to be breaking down soon. We're going to have to run these things for another week until about the 9th. I think I have no problem. I get spare parts from mine. Or one of them will work, I'll tell you that. One out of the two. I'm probably going to get a third one. I need a steel chainsaw Pro Series, like $600. 20-inch bar. 18's not cutting it when these trees are wet. That's it too, these trees, whatever they're made out of, when they are wet, oh my god, you cannot cut through them for shit. And when they're dry, fairly easy. They see in this shit over here this happened, this tree was planted. You see it was planted, so it uproots. You see the root structure? It falls over because they planted on fill. This place has rocks and stone and all the other bullshit, and they ran over with a dozer. And this is why. The only trees that fall in Florida in this storm are the ones that were planted. Because that's all its roots were. And it grows huge. It's not very deep. Look at that hole. Not very deep at all. But the roots can't go anywhere because they're going to rock. Yeah, this stuff's extremely hard to cut when it's wet. Not too hard to cut now. But that's the deal. That's the deal. Might try to fix my truck soon, take it apart on board. Now that I have the power fear gone. Living off the grid, it's not so bad. stores keep getting more generators. More people must have just bought them. They're looking at the manual and shit like clueless. I got a Generac. I get the same motor on mine. I got the new one with the CO sensor though. The CO2 sensor is a pain in the ass. I kept on tripping on the Hondo and the wind blows towards it in the storm. Peter Suburban survived. I don't know where he is. So there's a little Furman over there from Costco. I don't want to buy a Furman brand, but if you got it, you got it. I just need more cam. Look at that little thing. It's so small. Yeah, more people get noisemakers. Pretty nice. Walk around the neighborhood. Same shit as last time. That's a cheap one right there. They got the bad gas cans too. Some people got nothing. I remember when I had nothing. Dash FedEx. They're like the only carrier that's running. So, give them street cred for that. Alright, I'm done walking around. It's cooler out here than in my room because people are greedy. Oh shit, they lost their thing over there. The panels. It's cooler in my room because someone keeps moving the fan that I bought on the wires that I bought. You know. And so their room's 74 degrees. My room's about 84. Maybe more right now. Zero airflow. Very selfish. And that's who I'm related to. I remember this again. I remember this. They just gotta fuck you. Cool. Has an inverter generator right over there, the Toyota. So quiet. But check out this over here. It's very interesting. Snapped. This is like a mini tornado happened over here, and this is not too far away. It knocked down that pole over here. I didn't even notice this. I will keep walking around in the dark. Look at that one. Oh, like a straight line. And that's. Oh, even over there. That makes sense. It came through over here. Over here, it's like literally like a little, probably a tornado vortex or something. Who the hell knows? Because it came in from back of my house too. And there's kind of like one over there and over there. Probably could have. It looks like fall time up north. Pine needles are all over. It smells like it too. Oh, look at that one that came down and smashed. I wonder what happens when FPL turns on the power. What's gonna go on with this shit? Gonna freaking short out or something? I have no idea. No idea. Well, I don't know like that. Yeah, like a mini tornado came over here. Dog, you are going nuts. Yeah, and over there too. Yeah, that was weird. Really shifted stuff. Yeah, it had to be like a mini tornado. There, boom. That'll happen like the same time after like 4. And that's when the truck was rocking in the driveway, the blue one. It was literally like tipping this way and this way. Nah, well, it's over now. Over there too. A lot of wind, and this is just condo land. This is all over. This is all over there. Like a tornado came through over there. Look, all that's gone. I think that was a tree actually down there. Someone cut that up. I think it fell right across. Maybe. Not sure. Let me tell you something. Generators are burning down people's houses. And you know why? They're running them on this. Running them on like wood. Running them on a lot of stuff they shouldn't be running them on. So, little fuel leak, oil leak, they're spilling gas all over it. It catches on fire. So you see where mine is? It's on mostly and rocks. That's good. This, okay. And it's made out of brick. But yeah, people aren't doing that shit. And they whatever, screwing up their house. They don't want checking on them, spilling gas all over. Another thing, they don't have fire extinguishers and shit. I have so many fire extinguishers. I want to fix this thing. I want to take it apart. So, yeah. This guy, because we got this shit back. We got this shit back. Little Ron, like he said, the governor, we're gonna get a power back. It's gonna be fast. We get all down light poles and shit, but they light up. I don't care. I don't think they're gonna burn the grass or anything. I hope not. I don't think they get very hot. It's fine. No more noisemaker. Generac was making nice sounds last night, roaring all night long. Thing sounds cool. Freaking made in China. Made in China. Oh, this is wonderful, man. You can walk around at the night. Walk around in the night. That's pretty cool. Things are getting better by the day. I just dropped my bag again here. Hold on my pocket. Okay, Lulu. Yeah, we had AC, we had the fridge running. It's an hour after the storm. I didn't even think we were going to get knocked out, and I didn't think we were going to get even a storm. I said, yeah, maybe we'll get 40 to 80 mile an hour wind gusts. That's what I thought. We kind of did get 40, 80 mile an hour wind gusts. Luckily, we didn't get rain. That's where a tornado ripped through. I got another video. Literally like a whole line. I think it was a mini tornado. It's a whole line of trees. Pretty cool. You know, people do survive if you want to. You can get a generator. It improves your life. I would have been pretty pissed off having nothing but quiet all those days. Generator's fun. You gotta have enough fuel. As always, like I learned this the last time, that you didn't have a generator to last you at least 48 hours. At least 2 days. 2 days. On the third day, you seem to always find fuel. So ideally, have enough fuel for 3 days. And then you're really covered. After 3 days, there's fuel. Because the gas stations here are required to be powered by a generator, which is also an extremely smart idea that more states should implement. Okay. A lot of things are on generator power here. You think about it, when there's a disaster, Florida's pretty shitty, but they have their shit together with power generation. And yeah, I don't know how many days, 6 days, 5 days, I don't know, something like that. One day, lost power like Thursday or Wednesday or something like that. Wednesday in the middle of the day, I think. Yeah, they cut the power here anyway, because there's nothing wrong with these lines. What FPL does is they cut the power when the wind speed's like 30 miles an hour to prevent line damage, like arcing lines in the ground. So they do that, then it takes them a while to go around and reset the switches that have tripped, and to also do power line inspection. That's how it always works. If this doesn't go off in the storm, you probably could have ran this power through the whole storm. It was cut pretty late, and you probably still would have had power. Oh no, the cell phone tower's back. I'm gonna get headaches again. And the super fast internet that I had that I have to show is gonna slow down. I had 1 gig up and almost 1 gig download. It's crazy. It was 1 gig download, almost 1 gig up actually. It's crazy. Yeah, the out-of-staters, they get their job done faster than the in-state people. So like Cherry Hill, New Jersey and shit. Do the northerners, you know, this shit, like when our power used to go bad in the Northeast, man, that shit was on fast. They just got shit done. No bullshit, no dicking around. Get your Suburbans back. It survived the storm. Yes. Alright. Silent central air conditioning. Yes. Need a generator that will run that today.